I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your game version and backing up saves. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once version match is confirmed, download the TMSurf patch and a compatible loader tool. Make sure to verify file integrity so you don't install corrupted files. After downloading, extract files into a temporary folder and keep the backup separate. You'll now be ready to apply the patch, which is the first actionable change that enables TMSurf behavior in-game. You next apply the patch and integrate it with the game. This is where precise placement matters. Move the patch files into the designated mod or data folder, then run the loader as administrator so files are written correctly. During installation, follow prompts to merge assets and scripts. Choose Preserve User Files when offered. Once done, launch the game in a controlled test slot to confirm TMSurf elements loaded and to check for conflicts with other mods or built-in scripts. You finish by validating TMSurf in a fresh save slot so you isolate changes from prior progress. Play through the initial sequence to ensure mechanics function and visual assets appear. If you encounter crashes or glitches, restore your backup and retry installation with conflicting mods disabled. Many issues stem from mod overlap or outdated loaders. Make sure to clear the game cache and rebuild data indices before retesting. If problems persist, revert to the backed up save and recheck version compatibility before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.